Are you an original equipment manufacturer in the HVAC industry? If so, you'll want to get to know us. We are DNA Group, a US-based company that specializes in working with customers to provide cutting-edge, cost-effective solutions for the HVAC industry. From product design and engineering to manufacturing and mass production, we have been an end-to-end solution provider to global OEMs for over 30 years. Whether you've got a new idea, need help solving a problem, or are just looking to cut manufacturing costs, DNA Group is ready to see that the job is done right, on time, and with as little stress for you as possible. DNA Group, powerful solutions for your world.